In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate strong passwords with one click. No more worrying about weak or reused passwords. It's easier than you think, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it yourself in seconds. Stay with me till the end because I've got an exclusive free trial for you, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on that. Now let's dive right in. First off, we know that strong passwords are essential for your online security. The problem is, it's hard to come up with ones that are both secure and easy to remember. That's where password managers come into play. With the right software, you can generate strong, unique passwords with just one click. No hassle, no stress, just peace of mind. The software we'll be using today does all the heavy lifting for you. You don't have to manually come up with a password or even try to remember it. Simply open the software, go to the password generator section and hit the button. That's it. The software will generate a random, complex password for you. You get a password that includes upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, all the ingredients for a strong password. Now, let's talk about why this is such a big deal. A strong password is key to protecting your personal information. Weak passwords are easily cracked by hackers, and with data breaches happening all the time, it's more important than ever to be proactive about your security. And when you can generate these passwords with one click, you're saving time and effort, which is exactly what we want in today's fast-paced world. The best part? You can save these passwords in the same software, so you never have to remember them again. Once generated, the software will store them for you in a secure vault. The software encrypts everything, meaning only you can access your saved passwords. So no worries about data leaks, your passwords are safe. If you want to follow along with me, check out the exclusive free trial I've linked below. This is a trial only available to my viewers, and I strongly recommend giving it a go. You can start generating strong passwords with just one click right now. Trust me, once you start using this software, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So, what's the key takeaway from today? Strong passwords are crucial for your security, and with the right software, you can generate them in seconds with just one click. It's that easy, and you're already one step ahead in protecting yourself online. Just to quickly recap, to generate a strong password with one click, open the software, go to the password generator, hit the button, and you're done. And remember, check the description for the exclusive free trial link to get started today. That's all for this video. Don't forget to grab your free trial and start protecting yourself with strong passwords, because online security is nothing to take lightly. See you in the next video.